When planning your pricing strategy, it's easy to focus on your manufacturing price. But this one number does not give you the full story of your total costs. If you ignore the additional costs it takes to get your product to its final destination, like shipping, tariffs, and customs, you'll be in for a pretty rude awakening. What you need to calculate is your landed costs. This is the total cost of getting your product from your supplier's factory to your warehouse. Your landed cost includes the manufacturing price plus everything it takes to ship, clear customs, and deliver it. So the unit price your supplier gives you is really just the starting point. You still need to calculate other costs, including shipping, customs, and other costs that are all added to your manufacturing price. The reason you need to calculate your landed cost is so you know how healthy your business is. If you are building your plan off just a manufacturing price, then you'll make some pretty big pricing mistakes that will see lower margins than expected. Another reason you need to calculate your landed cost is so you can make better sourcing decisions. The quotes for each supplier in different countries will vary, but the cheapest supplier might end up being more expensive if there are additional costs, such as higher tariffs. So this is just another reminder that the cheapest supplier might not end up with the cheapest landed costs. To calculate your true landed costs, you should include the following. First is your manufacturing price. This is a price your supplier quotes per units. Second is shipping costs. This covers ocean freight or air freights, plus any inland transportation or delivery to your warehouse. Third is tariffs and duties. Based on your product's HS code and country of origin, these can have a major impact on your costs. Fourth is customs and brokerage fees. These fees are paid to the freight forwarder or customs broker to clear your goods at the border. Fifth is insurance. This is to protect your goods in transit from loss or damage. Sixth is handling or port fees. These might be small, but they add up across large shipments. When you add these up, you get a much more accurate picture of what your product will actually cost you. Once you understand your landed costs, the next step is usually to figure out how to bring these costs down. This does not mean cutting corners on quality, but to see how you can better optimize your operations. Here are 4 things to look at. The first one is to optimize your shipping method. Air freight is fast, but it's expensive. If you can plan ahead, ocean freight is much more cost effective. You can also save by consolidating shipments and avoiding partially filled containers. The second is to improve your packaging. Bulky or inefficient packaging takes up more space. Redesigning your packaging to be more compact or stackable can make a noticeable difference. The third one is to share your forecasts with your supplier. If your supplier knows what you'll need over the next 6 to 12 months, they can plan production and material purchases more efficiently, helping you avoid rush fees and reduce per unit pricing. And lastly, consider alternative manufacturing locations. If tariffs or import duties are raising your costs in one region, moving production to another country like Thailand can improve landed costs without sacrificing quality or lead time. If you need some assistance on this, then just please reach out and we're happy to talk to you. Remember, your unit price is just the beginning. To understand your product's total cost, you need to look at the full picture. By calculating your landed costs, you can make smarter decisions about pricing, production, shipping, and even where you manufacture. At EPower Corp, we are a full-service contract manufacturer with production facilities in China and Thailand. So if you're developing a new product or looking to improve your supply chain, then please reach out. I hope this gives you a better understanding of the importance of calculating your landed costs. If you have found this helpful, then please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you do have any questions, then please comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you everyone for watching.